Yo, what's up guys? It's Mistic, and 2026 is officially the year that Amazon will lock down the Fire Sticks, and with their new Vega OS and side loading blocks, that stick in your TV is losing its freedom. So today, I'm giving you the top 3 hardware replacements that actually let you own your device. Now let's get right into it. Alright, for number 3, we have the On 4K Pro. Now this one is only for around 50 bucks, and for this, it's actually the ultimate Fire Stick killer, because it has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, which is actually double the Fire Stick 4K Max. And it also got Wi-Fi 6 for stable streaming and a remote finder button on the box, so when you lose it, you can actually find it, even if it's hidden in the couch. And this is everything that actually comes with it. So here's my verdict. If you're on a budget and you just want a device that works without the Amazon bloatware, then this is a no-brainer. Now next at number 2, we actually have the Google TV Streamer 4K. Now out of all the devices on the list, this is the only one that actually comes in multiple colors. But other than that, this device is actually for those who want a smart home brain, because it has 4 gigabytes of RAM for zero lag switching between apps, and it acts as a universal smart home manager, so you can actually control your lights and check your doorbell right from the Gemini Power interface, because it actually does have Gemini built inside of this device also. And then this is what the device looks like and everything that comes with it. Now this one is the smartest box on the list. If you want the Gemini AI to manage your home while you stream in 4K, then this is the device that you will want to choose. And next at number 1, we have the king that keeps the crown, the Nvidia Shield Pro. Now this isn't a smart home hub, it's actually a high performance muscle box. It's the only one with AI upscaling that makes 1080p looks like native 4K, and it has a gigabyte Ethernet for those massive movie files. And also, if you happen to have a high-end sound system, this supports every lossless audio format out there. So you're going to be getting clear quality sound, and you're going to be getting the best graphics you can actually receive even on 720 and 1080p because of that AI upscaling. But it does come with a price. Now for this one, the Shield is an investment. If you're tired of your Samsung TV or your Fire Stick buffering on big files, then this is the last box that you will actually ever need. So to sum it all up, the era of the Fire Stick freedom is ending, but these 3 boxes will have you covered. So let me know in the comments which ones you are picking up. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me guys what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.